Unit 6, Lessons 1 to 2. Eyes. See, these are eyes. We use our eyes to see. Green. Its color green. Tractor. It's a tractor. Grass. It's a grass. Sky. It's a sky. Lizard. It's a lizard. Beetle. It's a beetle. Letter K. It's letter K. K is for kite. L. It's letter L. L is for lion. Tell what can you see? I can see a sky. I can see a sun. I can see grass. I can see trees. I can see two boys and two girls. Tell what can you see? I can see a bird. I can see a house. I can see trees. I can see sky. I can see grass. I can see flowers. I can see bees. I can see snails. Again, we use our eyes to see.